Chapter 3. Principle of motion. And yet it moves. Galileo Galilei, February 15, 1564 January 8, 1642, was an Italian physicist, mathematician, astronomer, and philosopher who played a major role in the scientific revolution. Galileo, who is a famous scientist for saying, "And yet it moves," as he was getting out of the Inquisition about the Copernican theory. He always had questions about stereotypes and tried to digging into truth. Galileo tried something new in 1599. He climbed up to the Leaning Tower of Pisa to experiment opposite of the Aristotle's theory, which was truth at that time. However, Galileo was different. He claimed that the falling object falls in constant speed regardless of its mass through several experiments and studies. Naturally, he became an enemy of all scientists, religious people, and the public. He climbed up to the Leaning Tower of Pisa, which was 5 height cathedral's bell tower, carrying a light metal ball and a heavy metal ball to prove that an object's falling speed is constant regardless of their mass. The anecdote is too well known to many people. But the fact is that the Galileo's disciples, Viviani, packed Mentor's achievements and created the anecdote. A Dutch mathematician, Simon Stevin, in 1586 was known to actual experiments similar to Galileo's. However, it is the fact that Galileo experimented many times with balls of different weight on a slope and created the falling theory. Galileo's spirit, such as striving to explore truth and keeping conviction against the massive power of religion, is considered for the role model of scientists.